What's up guys, Jeremy Harris, Concealed Window Tint. Quick tip for what would be considered an obstacle on the Mustang. One thing that's really common on these cars is, I really don't know what you call them, like rear window deletes, I guess. And if you're not a guy that uses a plotter, you're probably looking at this like, how am I going to tint it? And a lot of people will probably opt out of tinting these. Even though they're covered up, I still choose to tint them. It's within the price. They're little bitty windows, but how to pattern these if you're a hand cutter is probably one of the things that keeps people from doing it. So just real quick, what you do is the clear that came off of the front windows, this stuff right here, small bottle of that. Obviously it's been on the ground and it's been wet, so we're gonna put this up there. And I probably should have had all this stuff together before then. But seeing as it's been on the ground, I'm gonna wipe it clean. Mainly because I'm actually gonna mark on it. Now it was laying on the other side, so I'm actually gonna wipe both sides and then go back. And this is just because I don't want to put added contamination on my glass, right? So now I can use either side, preferably the dry side, because you're going to mark on this. My bottle's already in here. Run to the other side to get me actually putting this on the window. Wet the glass just like you would if you were gonna put tint on it. Put the clear up there. Because all we're doing is getting our pattern. I'm gonna squeegee it so it doesn't move. Because all I need is a rough pattern. I keep all my stuff around my neck, obviously. Sharpie. Around the edge. It ain't got to be perfect. Just get a general shape of the window. You can clearly see if you're in here doing it how much overhang you got. Yep. So now I'll show you outside. I have my window shaped. So now I'll get my film. This is small enough for a scrap piece of film, but I'll get the film that I'm gonna put on those windows. I'm gonna use the clear as my guide and get it tinted with the cowls. I guess they're window cowls on the side. So hope that helps.
Scared money don't make money, stop acting timid. Cause closed mouths don't get fed, you gotta get it. I'm on the grind, hard work really pays off. Until the day it does, I ain't taking no days off. I'm never stopping, you know I'ma stay committed. I go and get it all the time, I'm never gonna waste a minute. I go and get it, I'm never quitting, you know I'm in it to win it. When it's all said and done, I'ma be the realest that did it.